Hey there. Welcome to Module 4, the final and one of the most important modules of your social media marketing journey with Growth Mandi. So far, you've learned how to write content, build strategy, and grow organically. Now it's time to learn how to measure it all, because what you don't measure, you can't improve. Social media isn't just about posting. It's about posting with a purpose, and then using data to see if that purpose is being fulfilled. Analytics tell you what your audience likes, what time they're most active, and which content drives results. Tip: data is your best marketing mentor. It tells the truth, always. Don't worry, you don't need to be a data scientist. Just focus on a few key numbers. Reach: how many people saw your post? Impressions: how many times it showed up? Engagement: likes, shares, comments, saves. Click-through rate: how many clicked your link? Conversions: sign-ups, purchases, downloads. Tracking these every week or month will show you a clear picture of your growth. Let's talk tools. Meta Business Suite for Facebook, Instagram. LinkedIn Analytics for your posts and profile. YouTube Studio for your video reach. Google Analytics 4 to track website traffic. Bit.ly for tracking link clicks. Start with one or two and grow as you go. Tip: use bit.ly for your Instagram bio or LinkedIn links to see what content actually drives traffic. Here's a simple process. Look at your top performing posts, what made them work. Compare likes versus saves versus comments, which actions are people taking. Use that insight to plan your next content pieces. Let your audience behavior shape your strategy. You don't need fancy software. Just use Google Sheets or Notion. Track things like best 3 posts of the month, follower growth, engagement trends, lessons learned, next month's plan. It's simple but powerful. Here's your action step. Choose any brand, even your own. Make a 7-day content plan. Post it. Then track performance using any free analytics tool. This exercise will teach you more than any textbook ever could. Tip: experience is the best teacher in marketing. Start experimenting. Whether you're freelancing or applying for jobs, your portfolio speaks louder than your resume. Show your best work, content calendars, analytics screenshots, engagement stats. You don't need experience to create a portfolio. You need proof of what you've learned and applied. So here's what you need to remember. Learn the skills, apply them in real-world content, track your performance, keep refining, and most of all, be consistent. Growth in social media is not luck. It's clarity plus effort plus data-driven improvement. This brings us to the end of your free course. But your learning journey has just begun. If you want to dive deeper, work on real client projects, and build a career in digital marketing, join our JIP program, Job-Oriented Industrial Projects. Search JIP by Growth Mandi on Google and start building the career you truly want. Thanks for learning with us. Keep creating, keep growing with Growth Mandi.